Are you dreaming of expanding your healthcare career in Ireland? Let's turn that dream into reality in just 15 days. Ireland's top-notch healthcare system and lively culture make it an ideal place for healthcare professionals to thrive. And guess what? The Irish government's streamlined process makes it easier than ever to get your work permit approved. To qualify, you need a valid passport, a job offer from a registered Irish employer, relevant qualifications, and proof of English proficiency. Pro tip: applying through a reputed agency can speed up the recognition of your credentials significantly. Now here's the 15-day plan. 1. Gather your documents: passport, job offer, qualifications, and language proof. 1. Submit your application online through the Irish Department of Enterprise portal. 1. Ensure your employer submits the necessary details promptly. 1. Processing takes just 10-15 days. Remember, the permit is free, but minor admin fees might apply. Double-check your documents to avoid any delays and track your application online for real-time updates. That's your quick guide to securing a free work permit in Ireland in 2024. If you found this helpful, share, and subscribe to my GK Health Passport for more international opportunities. Drop your questions in the comments below.